Question is, a team finds bugs in a feature. What is the best action to take? Option A, create a task to correct bugs and estimate it. Option B, create a task to correct bugs and let the product owner prioritize it. Option C, create a user story. As a client, I want a zero defect product and estimate it. Option D, create a user story. As a client, I want a zero defect product and let the product owner prioritize it. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what is the recommended way of removing the resistance presented by skeptics? Option A, appoint a champion skeptic. Option B, fire them. Option C, move them. Option D, reiterate and reinforce the commitment. Correct answer is option A. Question is, during a sprint planning, a team has picked 3 user stories. Story 1, 5 story points. Story 2, 8 story points. Story 3, 3 story points. At the end of the sprint, the team has completed story 1 and story 3, and the product owner accepts these. The team has almost completed story 2, but there are a few bugs identified in acceptance tests. What is the velocity of this team? Option A, 8 points. Option B, 16 points. Option C, 12 points. Option D, insufficient information given. It depends on percentage completion of story 2. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your company has discovered that it takes more than high quality, low cost and differentiation to excel. It also takes speed and flexibility. This calls for a different approach. You are aware that the current process is not delivering acceptable results. What would be the next activity after becoming aware? Option A, ability to success with Scrum. Option B, desire to adopt Scrum as a way to address current problems. Option C, promotion of Scrum through sharing experiences so that we remember and others can see our successes. Option D, transfer of the implication of using Scrum throughout the company. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Now the question is, a team's physical environment can have a big influence on how agile a team can become. An important benefit of an open space workplace is the ease with which the layout of the area can be changed. Why does this company with the agile principles? Comply. Option A. It follows the inspect and adopt cycle as the people on the team are learning how to work best with one another during the process. Option B. Pair programming is only possible in an open environment. Option C. Self-organization is only possible in an open space environment. Option D. With people involved, there will always be people issues. Open workspaces allow the Scrum Master to detect people issues and resolve them. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a development team consists of various different roles: analysts, programmers, UX experts, DBA, and systems architects. They are estimating backlog items in ideal days. What is the best approach to provide estimates for the backlog items? Option A. Each role should provide a separate estimate. The Scrum Master integrates them. Option B. Ideal days estimation is not feasible in this case. Story points should be used. Option C. The development team provides a single estimate for each backlog item. Option D. The product owner will integrate the input on the estimates from each role. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which Scrum meeting helps an organization become engaged in continuous process improvement? Option A, the release kick-off meeting. Option B, the rolling look ahead planning meeting. Option C, the sprint planning meeting. Option D, the sprint retrospective meeting. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.